video. Got a little nail in this tire. This one called because he wanted us to come and patch it for him. Normally I don't like patching stuff there because it's not a great area to patch. But today we're gonna patch it. It's kind of an emergency situation and he needs to get going. So all we're doing is ripping this thing out of there, if we can. So that's what was in his tire. If you don't have your tire plugging equipment, you get you some. Just reaming it real good. Let go of that. Get a plug. Pull that through like that. Get this stuff it comes with. Little dab on the tip, just like that. And then we're going to take out the plug, put that in there. And that right there is a plug tire. No leaking, should be good. I'll tell this customer I can't guarantee this repair because of where it's at, right? You can really truly only plug in this area right here. But I'm gonna tell the customer I plugged it. Can't guarantee it, but it should be good for a while like that. And it's me, y'all, the Roadside Genius. Just plugging this tire. Quick little 85.